Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create videos using this AI tool called the Heygen right here. Heygen is an AI powered video creation software. You can effortlessly produce studio quality videos with AI generated avatar and voices right here. Millions of persons, thousands of people have been able to make use of this video right here. You can create videos for everything, engage, explain, entertain, the AI powered video creation for any need right here. So how does this actually works? You want to simply create or choose an avatar, and you can choose for over 100 plus AI avatars, or you can easily customize your own. So the next step is to record or choose a voice. You choose from a collection of high quality voices, or you record your own. And step 3, you select a template or you start from scratch. You can select from an extensive array of ready to use templates for any scenario, or you begin with a clean slate right there. So guys, all you want to do, get started for free. There is no credit card required right here for you to get started, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here guys, you can create avatar or instantly create video. So how do we actually create video? You can start from a template, or you make use of the AI script generator. So right here guys, start from a template. You can easily just choose in any template right there and edit the templates right into your video. But right here guys, for this tutorial I'm going to make use of the AI scripts to video right here. So once you're right here guys, we have the topic input or the URL input right there. So right here guys, for the topic input, you want to simply introduce the topic right here. So I'm just going to paste in the topic right here. So I'm going to paste in this topic. So the nature symphony, sounds of the wilderness. Now the output language, I want to make that to be English. The tone, you want to simply select the tone right here. Let's make this to be professional right here guys. So that is it for our tone. So we want to simply just do that. Then you go on to additional info. You can easily put in an additional info right here for your video. I'm just going to tap on generate script right here, and this is going to generate, as you can see right here, scene 1, scene 2 right here. And right here guys, these are all the scenes that I have for mine. So guys, as you can see, these are all the scenes right here. Then guys, all you want to go on to is to tap onto create video. And this is going to create the video right here for you. It's choosing the avatar, and right here guys, this is it. So you can easily go right here. You can easily change in the voiceover if you do not want this particular voice right there. But guys, I'm going to leave this like this, the way it is. So let's simply play this video and see how it actually looks like. So that is it right here for the video. So guys, you can easily add in some text to your video right here. You can go onto the video right here. You go onto your video and you can add text. You can simply go on to add title, and you can also add in subtitle right here to your video right there. So you can simply just do this. You can add text to your video. And right here guys, you can easily add in some elements. We have some frame. We have frame right here, sticker. So right here guys, I might just add this to my video. Take this right here and add to my video. So you can add sticker right here to your video. Right here guys, we have some of the asset section whereby you can easily upload asset, be it image, video and music. You can screen record. You can put in text to image right here. As you can see, simply describe the image you have in mind. Probably right here guys, I'm just going to put in nature. Let's see this, and this is going to generate. And let's see, this may take up to 15 to 13 seconds. So you do not want to be patient, and you do not want to close this page. So let's simply wait for 15 to 30 seconds, and let's see what the text to image prompt is just going to generate right here for us. So guys, as you can see, this is it right here, and we have lots of images that have been generated right here for us. So let me just simply select this right here. So you can easily just select that particular image that you want, and you can easily add it to your video right here. So once you're done with that, you can go on to now the Heygen make use of some pricing tools right here. I'm simply making use of the free plan, but you can also subscribe to the creator, the business or the enterprise right there. So guys, once you're done with all of this, all you want to simply do is to go on to submit right here. And you can easily just want to upgrade to submit to so as you can see, I do not have enough credit to make this video, so I can easily upgrade my plan right there. But this is how your video actually looks like. Or you can also submit as a 4K right here, but you simply need to upgrade right here. So guys, you can also preview your video right here, and your avatar animation is available after submitting your video. So you can easily play this. So that's how your video is going to look like right here. So guys, this is how you are able to create videos right here using this AI tool called the Heygen. So you can easily just make use of the AI scripts generation video right there, or you can easily tap on templates and simply select a template of your choice right here, or you can easily create your own templates. We have lots of templates that we can also select from. You can easily tap on this template. You go on to use this template right here for your video, and it's going to choose the avatar, type the script and get the video for you. And you can easily just edit this video right here according to the way you can easily just edit this video to the way you want it to be. You go on to submit right there. So this is how you are able to create videos using Heygen right here.